Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to install Tor Browser on Windows 11. Tor Browser is a free and open-source web browser that anonymizes your web traffic by routing it through a network of volunteer relays. This makes it difficult for anyone to track your online activity or identify your location. Tor Browser is a great tool for anyone who wants to protect their privacy and security online. To download Tor Browser, go to the official Tor Project website at torproject.org. Click on the download button, and then select Windows from the drop-down menu. Once you have downloaded the Tor Browser installer file, double-click on it to start the installation process. The Tor Browser installer will ask you to choose a language for the browser. Select the language you want to use, and then click Next. The installer will then ask you where you want to install Tor Browser by default. The installer will install Tor Browser to your desktop. I have already installed it. You can change the installation location if you want, but it is recommended to leave it as the default. Once you have selected the installation location, click Next to continue the installation process. When you first launch Tor Browser, you will be asked to configure some basic settings. The first setting is whether or not you want to connect to Tor over a bridge. A bridge is a relay that is not publicly listed and can be used to connect to Tor if Tor is blocked in your country. Once you have configured Tor Browser, you can start using it to browse the web anonymously. To access a website with Tor Browser, simply type the website's address into the address bar and press Enter. Tor Browser will encrypt your traffic and route it through the Tor network. You can also use Tor Browser to access censored websites and onion websites. Onion websites are websites that are only accessible through the Tor network. We have reached out to Google, but if you see, it doesn't seem like you know a normal language or any. It is the Sweden language. I'm not sure about that language, so sorry about that. But the beautiful stuff to record here is because it might be going through multiple nodes and the exit nodes. So something to notice here is you see this. You get to see your site information over here, and the Tor circuit goes from the Germany to Sweden, and from there it reaches to the Google. It's not just that it is only for onion sites or dark web. It can also be used for the normal traffic, but remember this. The latency would be far higher because it's not going directly to the Google. It is hopping multiple nodes and then reaching out to there. Tor Browser is a great tool for anyone who wants to protect their privacy and security online. It is easy to install and use, and it is free and open source. If you are looking for a way to browse the web anonymously, I highly recommend using Tor Browser. So this is all about installing the Tor Browser on Windows. It is as simple as we have done it in Linux. I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.